Hello folks, myself Shitish and welcome back to my YouTube channel Coding Crust. In this video I'll tell you how to import Hybris project in IntelliJ. This is how the Hybris project structure looks inside the file explorer. Let's open up our IntelliJ and do the rest. When you open your IntelliJ very first time, it gives you this dialog box. We should navigate to plugins and marketplace. Search here SAP. So the first plugin, SAP Commerce Developer Tool Set. This we need to install. Click on install. Click on restart IDE. Restart. So we have installed the plugin successfully. We can go to the installed and validate it. If you search here SAP, you can see it's enabled and successfully installed. Go to the project and create a new project, empty project here. Give any name. Let's say I will give it Hybris underscore PRJ. Any location you can save it. Let me share it over the desktop. Finish. Click on File, New, Project from existing source. Navigate to your Hybris platform folder. Click on Open. Click on Import Project from External Model. Then from bottom you can select this Hybris one. Next. Here Hybris installation directly, it should be selected. For me it's already filled up, but if it is not filled up for you, you need to navigate to the Hybris folder, the top folder. For example, in my case it is Hybris underscore 2211 and click on open. Then go to the next. Unselect all, then select all. Next. Finish. It may take some time while importing the project completely. Click on this window. Let's wait for indexing to be completed. Indexing is still going on. Right now it is indexing smart edit. Let's validate the folders. This is custom folder which will have the project development related files. Hybris and platform folder, they both will contain the files which are out of the box files, which are actually provided by Hybris suite itself. Same goes with this platform folder. External libraries will contain all corresponding jar files. Once this indexing is done, you can go ahead and edit the files as per your requirement. Thanks for watching the video.